While still people gathered in the crowd, Jesus said to them, "This generation is an evil generation. It seeks for a sign, but no sign will be given except the sign of Jonah." My dear friends in Jesus Christ, as we look into today's gospel reading, first thing we notice that Jesus calls his contemporaries as evil generation. He uses a strong word here, evil generation. The reason for this is they were demanding for a sign. Jesus is the Son of God. He is the Redeemer, the Savior, the one who came from above, from God. And therefore Jesus himself was the greatest sign from God. But his contemporaries failed to recognize this truth. Even after hearing his preachings, even after seeing his miracles and wonders, still people fail to accept him as the sign from above. Secondly, we notice that Jesus is telling no sign will be given except the sign of Jonah. Jonah was a prophet sent by God to the people of Nineveh. Before going to Nineveh, Jonah was 3 days and 3 nights in the belly of a whale. And after that, miraculously, he was vomited out by the whale. And then he moves to Nineveh and preaches the good news to the people of Nineveh, and they get repented. As this Jonah was a greatest sign from God to his contemporaries, to the people of Nineveh, so also the Son of God, Jesus, is a greatest sign to the people of the whole world. As Jonah was 3 days and 3 nights in the belly of a whale, so also Jesus will be 3 days and 3 nights in the earth. Then on the third day he will rise. As Christians, sometimes we too demand for a sign. A sign is nothing but a blessing from God. Already we have so many signs and blessings from God which we fail to recognize in our lives. Having family members is a blessing. Having loved ones around us is a blessing. Having the people who care for us, especially in our daily needs, is the greatest blessing. Also, being protected from the problems, anxieties, accidents is a blessing. So all these are the signs and blessings from God which we need to be thankful, and we need to show our gratefulness to God. Hence, as we are the receivers of so many signs and blessings from God, let us stop complaining and start counting the blessings of God. It is up to God to show us signs. We must never demand for it. If God shows, then we must accept it and be thankful to God.